All right, come on down. Oh yes, good girl. I'm trying out a couple of ramps for the dog to get up in the back of our SUV. She's about to go in and get spayed. I don't want her jumping in and out of here, tearing out her stitches. Plus, she's kind of big. She's like 82 pounds. And dogs of that size, you know, they start wearing out their joints. So if we don't have them jumping in and out of the rigs, it's a little bit better. Let's try this one. You like engineering? Yes. Yes, good girl. Back up. Oh, okay. A little more athletic than we'd want to do, but that's okay. I've already tried these out a couple times. I think I know which one I like a little bit better. So this one, it's a bifold. It's made of metal, but it's got like a plasticky ramp with some grippers on it, and that's always a concern. The dog can keep their feet under them on a ramp. And this one, she can sit right in the middle of it and not slide, so it works just fine. This other one I'm trying folds up a little bit more. It's got a handle in the middle, but the big problem with this thing is when you go to unfold it, your hand here, let me show you. You naturally want to hold on to the handle in the middle. You go to unfold it, and it smashes your hand, which isn't good. So you got to kind of work around that. So it's been a bit pinchy. And then you can already see this one. It's got some dirt and staining on it because it hasn't even been raining like it is today. But if the dog's all muddy and gets on this thing with a felt surface on it, it's going to be just a mess. Whereas this one right here, you can kind of just hose this off and wipe it down. Yeah, see this one, if we get mud and dreck on it, we can just wipe it down with a wet rag. And we're good to go. It's not a permeable surface. Now this one on the other hand, because it's, you know, carpeted, we can just push the mud in further if we want. You're not going to be able to hose this off though. And you can't throw it in the washing machine, so this thing's just going to look filthy after a while and mud up the inside of the car. So kind of a similar story for folding these up. This one's just a fold in the middle. Got a little handle on it to hold and a little clip down to clip it shut. This one with this four fold's kind of clunky. You kind of fold down this end. I've got it down now, and then fold down this end, and then fold down the middle end. You're just repositioning your hand over and over. I don't know, it just seems like a pain in the neck. So for cleanliness and ease of use, kind of just like this harder surface. It's easy to clean. And this guy that's a finger pincher and gets all this mud and grossness on it.